Okay, so I purchased this at the store. It's called Girard's Greek Feta salad dressing. And I've never had this before. I actually don't eat dressing in general. But I'll tell you why, and here's a nutrition fact. So unfortunately, there's a little sodium, I can't eat too much of that. High blood pressure and everything. But I can do a little bit. But, yeah, so I tried this place last week. The family had ordered it. I guess they they ordered it out, but then they brought me back I had some grilled fish. There was some potatoes, I'm pretty sure I was allergic to because of the lemon juice. That made me choke, I think. But, and the salad. It had the Greek salad. So I had to look it up, Greek salad. So I'm trying to find, something that would taste similar to the dressing that was used. And, I doubt this is going to taste the same, but I'll be very curious what this does taste like, Again, I do not eat salad dressing, so I can't tell you what it tastes like compared to other dressings, but I'll let you know if it's good or not when I eat my salad along with my dinner tonight. And but yeah, this place called Santorini Greek Grill, and that's the building there. So I may go back there. Yeah, I had rice, I had grilled fish, and then salad for the most part. And there was like some those potatoes. I think that's what made me choke though. Just lemon, and they probably put lemon on a lot of it. Even the fish, I'm pretty sure. But yeah, so I'm trying to find something. I'm just very curious what this will taste like compared to what I tasted on the salads at the restaurant. Like that salad, it was it was basic. There wasn't anything in it. There wasn't even chicken, any meat in it. But it was like that right there. And yeah, it just tasted good. I'm trying to see if there's some images. Now this is not a review of this food, but yeah, this is what the salad looked like there. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, and it had that the white, was it ricotta cheese? I forget what it's called. But yeah, I may go back there. And this is interesting. This little spinach thing here. There's like a spinach wrap. I don't know what was inside of it. And whatever dressing they used on it was very good. So I'm curious what this tastes like, and I'll let you know what it tastes like later. So just another quick little review. Not much of like an adventure vlog or anything. But yeah, I'll let you know later. Stay tuned. Okay, so this is my full meal here, but here's the salad right here. Look how juicy it is. So yeah, I poured this Greek feta on top. It's the first thing I'm gonna taste. I'll let you know what it tastes like. I got some black eyed peas and okra. My chicken right here. So this is my dinner here for tonight. I'll let you know what it tastes like. I'm about to watch a movie called Lisa Frankenstein. It's a new movie on Amazon Prime. And the main actor, I think her name is Catherine Newton. Yeah, I like her movies, dude. So as soon as I saw her, I said, okay, I'm watching this and I'm gonna eat this food. So I'll let you know what this tastes like. So there you go. Okay, so I started watching the movie. Just took my first bite. It's actually very good. I would say it's a little strong on I guess I'm tasting the vinegar side. Get another taste test. I think the vinegar side is what I'm tasting. It's a little strong. Other than that, it's pretty good. If you don't mind too much vinegar. It's like that spicy vinegar taste to it. That's what I'm really tasting. Not too much sodium salty, but yeah, man. So next time, I had some sodium salt-free tuna. Like low sodium tuna. Cans that have been down there for months. And next time I'll probably cook a little tuna. In a pan. Maybe a little olive oil or some butter or something. Put it on top of the salad. Maybe throw a little Parmesan. That's getting a little too far, but I might. And I'll test that out next time. I can imagine. Like, wow, that'll be good. And I finally have a replacement, you know, for the cereal I was eating last year. So those puffins and the Cheerios. I completely stopped eating cereal. Just stop eating cereal. Again, I have a video. I lost 23 pounds in like 3 or 4 months after I stopped eating cereal, oatmeals, just anything like that. I'm trying to cut any wheat. And I'm wondering if that's also part of dizziness as well. But anyway, Girard's, man. Girard Valkyrie from Bleach. Anyway, it's good, man. It's good, but yeah, it's a strong, there's a very strong vinegar taste. But again, I probably put too much. Next time I won't put that much. I try not to soak it. So, it's either strong vinegar or strong, sort of salty sodium, which I don't think is the salt sodium, which is good because I can't eat too much. I think it's the vinegar that I'm tasting. It's a little bit strong. Other than that, it's good to me. Like I said, I don't eat dressing at all other than what, you know, they'll put on at restaurants, which I rarely eat. So I can't be a judge. I can't really give it a score. For me, it's good. For someone who doesn't really, this is for a review for someone who doesn't eat dressing a lot and you're looking to try something new for a change. So yeah, if you don't eat a lot of dressing, this is good. And will it give me some acid reflux here in a few seconds or what? I don't know. I'll find out. I'll let you know. But let me get back to the movie. All right.